Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to insert a video using HTML on your web page. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your editor. I'm going to open Visual Studio Code, and in this tutorial we will learn how to insert a video on our web page. So let's get started. How we can add by using a video, okay, and it has let's add width, give a width. For example, the width of the video should be 500 pixel, okay, and source define the source of the video, and it as an attribute. For example, see, as you can see in the left side I have a video first.move. I'm going to give the name first.move. See, it's very easy. By using video tag and source we can add a video on our web page. Let's see the output, how it looks like. As you can see here, let me add a control attribute. Control attributes adds play, adds a pause, that we can pause and we can play, stop, and like that. As you can see, let's see the output. Let me save that, and as you can see now, we can play the video, we can pause the video, and we can make it bigger, the video. See, by using controls attribute. That's how we can add videos in our web page. I hope you will like the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.